1,000 times faster. Yeah. People are going to be yelling at you. Nice to have your shoes.
But you know what? We've never been to one. It's Jenny.
Hi, and Broderick. I'm here with the
You've had about 100 people here. You know, we just met people here.
Well, we've got 166 rovers, juniors, and that's one of the parent boats.
Is there anybody at Rose in Cincinnati? I'm so out of this.
Yes.
We play golf.
Yeah.
We're golfers, and we're just like, you know, when you walk into a land of things you don't know, you feel like,
Everybody, that's how everyone enters, right?
And this is not a spectator sport at all.
And you bring binoculars, and you bring some food, and you come over.
Lots of food, lots of change of clothes.
And you bring every, for 80 degrees?
Yes.
Or 20 degrees.
And that works too.
Yeah.
So these go everywhere. And the rain slicker goes everywhere. It is fun. In spring,
It's much better. Yeah, it's better in the spring for spectators.
Come on, Chloe!